From an ecological perspective, rabbits are a huge problem because of the impact they have on native species. In an agricultural landscape, rabbits are a problem because of the impact they have on crops.
Problems of erosion, the problems in the breakdown of the biodiversity, unattended, and you're going to lose all your cultural heritage.
We can do things in this landscape that will last for generations. If we don't do it, it's the appetite of the rabbit that will decide the way the landscape is.
It might be a rabbit problem, but it's a people solution. So we've really got to work together and talk to one another about how we can work together on solving the rabbit issue. Today we're at Phillip Island. We're doing our annual boot camp for the Victorian Rabbit Action Network.
Effective rabbit control is possible. The most important ingredient is the commitment of the people, as individuals, as groups, but also as systems.
The reason that we run these programs is that not everyone knows how to do rabbit management, and a lot of knowledge has been lost in the system.
When rabbits are removed, fox numbers drop.
Our VRAN course is for everybody working in the rabbit management space to come together and talk about rabbits. We want them to improve their knowledge so they can deliver effective and sustainable programs.
Most of them have come here understanding there's a rabbit problem but having no idea how to deal with it. There's too much conflicting information out there.
So you think you know a lot, or you know a bit, and I come to this course and I know diddly squat.
I found the whole topic really overwhelming before I came here, so I came here so that I can learn from people who have that knowledge.
The most important part of having programs like this is that we don't just throw information at people. We actually get them out in the paddock and with a little bit of showing them how. And these are the mistakes you can make, but that's a learning experience too.
So when you see a machine like that turn up, you know you're serious about rabbit control.
We've been fighting very, very hard for many years to preserve our cultural heritage. And Victoria is the first state to actually enable Aboriginal people to do that since 2006. Here in southern Victoria, it's all about the stones, the tool making, which can tell a whole story about the culture of Aboriginal people. And rabbits are destroying that. You're losing the value of what you can find through the science of archaeology. People have been coming to Aboriginal and saying, here's the plan, here's the methodology, now can you just please give us permission? So the Aboriginal people are not actually being involved in the conversation. You need to talk to the individual mob in the area that you're working with and develop a partnership so you get equal outcomes that are benefits to the person who's doing the job, but there is a benefit to the Aboriginal community that you're working with.
We can make a landscape where the native animals, the native birds have got a place to be. And we can do that. And that's exciting. And I get enormous joy from seeing the successes that we've done. And even greater joy when the people that we've worked with in these courses, when they do it.
Look, it is a problem that we can deal with, and I now know that we can manage this problem with better ways than we've done in the past.
I just think if anybody gets the opportunity to come, it doesn't matter how many people in your workplace have done it. I think every time you came, you would learn something new, and the people that you meet here as well, and the sharing of their ideas, it might be something that just you haven't thought of before.
It's definitely given me the tools this week to have that power to ask questions, to be able to go to my manager and say, this is what we need to do to deal with this problem.
So if you'd like to do our rabbit boot camp, check out our website, vran.com.au.